Crypto whales are going heavy into this one altcoin, and Chainlink surges this week after their latest announcement. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, it's not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Today's YouTube news is sponsored by Morpheus Labs. Morpheus Labs offers multi-chain low-code solutions for Web2 firms to enter Web3 markets. They provide you with a smooth and efficient way to get your Web3 presence. This comes with a full suite of tools that offer blockchain as a service, ready to use and easy to deploy. Web2 firms can now easily transition from the ground up into a fully functioning Web3 project, including Morpheus AI-powered automation and smart contracts. The best place to buy their Mine token is on KuCoin or MEXC, and for more information, just follow their Twitter with a link down below. Bitcoin dipped 2% on May 28th after wallets labeled as belonging to the collapsed crypto exchange Mt.Gox moved over 100,000 Bitcoin, worth nearly $7.3 billion to an unknown wallet, with more transactions coming in by the hour. Last month, K33 research analysts warned the move of Mt.Gox era Bitcoin would spook the market and put sell pressure on the cryptocurrency. Over $9.4 billion worth of Bitcoin is owed to some of Mt.Gox's 127,000 creditors who waited to get it back for over 10 years after the exchange collapsed in 2014 after multiple unnoticed hacks. The Mt.Gox final repayment deadline is on October 31st, and its trustees started contacting creditors in January to confirm their identity and exchange accounts for repayment. Meanwhile, as elections are starting to heat up in the US, presidential candidates are starting to discuss crypto more and more, realizing it has become a big determining factor in this election. Trump recently said this about Bitcoin and Silk Road creator Ross Ulbricht.
I will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody. To the nation's 50 million crypto holders, I say this with your vote. I will keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from your Bitcoin. And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency. And if you vote for me on day one, I will commute the sentence of Ross Ulbricht to a sentence of time served.
Ethereum has recorded a significant jump in key bullish metrics like accumulation addresses as bulls ignite a market uphill movement. New market data from on-chain analysis firm CryptoQuant shows a systemic rise in Ethereum holders. According to the data, the amount of addresses has soared above 3,700 wallets. Mirroring this data along the lenses of wallets with 10 to 10,000 ETH and 10,000 to 100,000 ETH, both show significant upticks pointing to a jump in sentiment. Addresses with 10 to 10,000 ETH hold 246,700 assets, while wallets with 10,000 to 100,000 ETH hold 373,700 coins as of May 26. On-chain data shows a huge leap to these numbers, sparked by industry and macro factors. Data from Into the Block points to an accumulation from the larger holders, with strengthened movement amid traditional finance investors. The approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 11th led to a rise in investor accumulation, taking the price to an all-time high above $73,000. The widespread success led to investors turning to a spot Ethereum ETF, and the week leading up to the approval saw a huge accumulation as the price surged above $3,700. Ethereum is currently trading at $3,900, a 2% increase in the last 24 hours, and 25% increase in the last week. Our partners at Landrocker are introducing a new game economy that's very different from what we currently have in Web3. They're out to change how play-to-earn gaming works. Play-to-earn quickly slipped from the top after the last bull run. One of the reasons for that is that most projects focus just on the earning part and pay very little attention to the game quality. But Landrocker is changing all that. The game provides a 3D environment, and we checked out their gameplay, which was super amazing. If you're into battle discovery and space exploration, then this game is for you. Their approach blends play to earn with play to win. You can earn crypto rewards for completing fascinating missions. Their LRT token powers the entire game, and it's a utility and governance token. Their team remarkably raised $2.8 million in their pre-sale, and they've already secured listings on exchanges like Uniswap and MEXC. They also plan to add more centralized exchanges as well, including all the tier 1s that you know. The LRT token has real utility as it's important for transactions, crafting new NFTs, buying in-game items, and staking, and most gamers are super bullish on this game. They've got a strong team with over 20 years of experience, so we know for sure they know what they're doing. Check out Landrocker and their Uniswap listing with the link down below. With the US financial markets on hold for Memorial Day, the long holiday weekend has meant a relatively quiet start to the week for most markets, but one digital asset is booming, and that's Chainlink. The 14th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Link is Monday's best performer at the top 40 coins. CoinGecko data shows that it has risen more than 10% in the past day, is now trading over $18.75. The surge is likely the result of Link holders and supporters feeling bullish on the news dropping that Chainlink would be a co-presenter with international payments platform Swift at this week's Consensus Conference in Austin, Texas. The collaboration, which bore its first fruits last fall, is one that Chainlink has said prove that existing infrastructure can merge with the new world of blockchains. Chainlink has been on a roll lately, yesterday touting the progress its network has made across 9 different blockchains, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, and Base. Virtual Bacon also gave its price prediction for Link in 2025, saying this:
Chainlink just kept building their core infrastructure and onboarding more and more applications. They didn't pivot to a layer 1 or a metaverse project like so many others did. That's why I think $100 is really a more conservative target for myself personally. I think Chainlink will most likely revisit its all-time high and get way past that, and I think $100 is to be expected. Now, for a super optimistic scenario, I think Chainlink could even reach $250. Here's my calculation.
Check out his full video linked down below. Our partners at Retik Finance recently launched their Retik token. It's active in the DeFi sector and offers various financial tools and services. Retik offers low cost and high efficiency products. Its goal is to redefine how people conduct financial transactions in this digital age. Retik aims to meet evolving consumer needs, and that's where their financial products play the part. Among the products that Retik Finance offers are, among others, debit cards. These are their core product. There are 3 different card tiers, each with different cashback rewards, ranging between 2.5% and 5%. Some of their card benefits include privacy, ease of use for daily transactions around the world, ATM accessibility, security, and a rewards program of both money and perks. Their cards are further enhanced by smart payment gateways, AI-powered peer-to-peer lending, and a non-custodial wallet. With these features, Retik created its own efficient ecosystem. It offers what we as users need and want in a decentralized and secure way. Retik Finance supports fast, real-time transactions. It also offers extensive support for cryptocurrency payments across various transaction scenarios. For example, Swift Pay, combined payments, subscription payments, targeted payments, and various account systems. And by doing all this, Retik addresses some major TradFi problems like accessibility barriers, intermediaries and fees, lack of financial control, limited global transactions, privacy concerns, and slow innovation. Their Retik token is already listed on various exchanges, for example, Uniswap, MEXC, LBank, Bitmark, CoinW, P2B, BitTrue, and DigiFinex. Check out Retik Finance with the link down below. Defying the broader market correction, Telegram-based NOTcoin surged by a staggering 40% in the last 24 hours, with its daily trading volume surging by a massive 450% to over $1 billion. Not's remarkable surge in growth coincides with the increased popularity of NOTcoin, a play-to-earn Web3 game hosted on Telegram. This game allows users to convert their in-game currency to NOT tokens, garnering significant interest from Telegram's vast user base. The coin experienced a notable rebound following its highly anticipated airdrop, which initially failed to deliver immediate gains for holders. After the airdrop, NOTcoin's social sentiment experienced a surge, and its recent price surge has also thrust it back into the spotlight. The project's team recently drew comparisons between NOTcoin and Bitcoin, marking this milestone with the announcement of NOT Airdrop Phase 1. A recent Twitter poll, which attracted over 29,000 participants, overwhelmingly favored NOTcoin, with 86.2% expressing a preference for it over Bitcoin. The market is showing bullish sentiment towards NOTcoin, driven by the introduction of an innovative feature called Earning Missions. This feature enables users to passively earn NOT tokens by engaging with partner projects and communities. Additionally, users can boost their rewards by staking NOT, with higher tiers offering substantial returns. This enhancement significantly increases the project's appeal to both new and existing investors.